my channel. How are you all doing? So today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and in today's video I'm going to unbox the Glamego box for the month of March. So here is my Glamego box, and by the way guys, if you're coming to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on the small notification bell near the subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now moving on with the video guys, so basically I'm going to unbox this box right over here. So if you don't know what Glamego box basically is, it is basically a very affordable beauty subscription box here in India. It comes for just rupees 399 per month including shipping, and if you're going for a 3-month, 6-month or a 12-month subscription, then you have to pay much less than that. By the way guys, this month is basically Glamego's anniversary month, which is really awesome. And apart from that guys, Glamego is also doing an associate sponsorship for the biggest event of Neha Kakkar in Hyderabad at Gachibowli Stadium on 16th of March, which I think is a great thing. So congratulations to them for that. So now coming back to the box guys, so this is how this month's box basically looks. And by the way guys, let me tell you that all the Glamego boxes are magnetic boxes, so these are really useful for storage purpose. Now let me quickly open it and show you the inside of it. So this is how the inside of it looks, and the first thing that I can see are of course the two cards. This card right over here says that this is their anniversary exclusive edition, and the second card over here says that this is basically a gift card which was valid till 13th March, but unfortunately I ordered the box late, so I received it late. I actually received it after 13th, so right now this coupon is not valid for me anymore. So let's see what is the first product in this month's box. So the first product in this month's box is the most awaited product of the year, which is an exclusive chubby stick from Bella Voste, and it is worth rupees 499, and over here you can choose your own shade. So the shade that I went for is Violet Edition 05, and that is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. So it's a beautiful purple shade, and let me just swatch it for you guys right over here to show you the pigmentation. So you can see that this is quite pigmented and it goes really smoothly. Now one good thing about these Bella Voste chubby sticks are that they are matte, but at the same time they are not very drying, and they last for roughly 3 to 4 hours, which I think is a really good time. Moving on to the next product in this box. So the next product in this box is from Jovis, and it is their new signature kajal. Now this is exclusive only in the Glamego box, and it is worth rupees 190. It says that it has an extra smooth tip and it lasts for 12 hours. So let's just take it out and let's swatch it and see how it is. Oh, by the way, it also says that it is really deep black, so we're going to find it out. Let's see how it swatches. So I'm just going to swatch it right over here, and okay, so that went in really smoothly, and what I can see is that it kind of looks quite deep. So let me just swatch a little bit over here and see. Okay, that's not bad, that's actually quite good. So let it set in for a couple of seconds, and we are going to smudge it and see whether it smudges or not. And by the way guys, I'm sorry for all these noises because it's actually raining outside. So I think it's time now to smudge it and see how it is performing. So here we go, and it does smudge. As you can see, it's not completely smudge proof. Moving on to the next product. So the next product is basically a Moroccan red clay mask from Bliss of Earth. So this one is worth rupees 499, and this is supposed to detoxify your skin. So here's the product guys. So it's quite a huge sized product, and I think you can actually use it quite a few times. So this is supposed to deep cleanse your face, it's going to exfoliate and at the same time detoxify your skin. That kind of sounds really good. I'm definitely looking forward to try this out. Coming to the last product in this month's box. So it is from the brand called, I think it's Perrine, if I'm not wrong. So it's from Perrine Cosmetics, and it's a Radiance Day Cream sample of 5 grams, which is worth rupees 160. So it's a mini sample, as you can see. So I'm definitely going to try this one as well and let you guys know how this one works. So guys, with that our unboxing comes to an end. So the total value of products in this month's box is rupees 1350. So if you ask me what is my favorite product in this month's box, then it has to be this lipstick from Bella Bosse, because I just love the shade and I actually love the way these lipsticks apply and how they feel on the lips. And I'm also looking forward to try out this clay because this kind of seems really good. So guys, with that this video comes to an end. Don't forget to check out my description box for more details on Glamego. I've also mentioned their link down in my description box. If you guys have liked this video, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.